What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith, back with another live stream. Stocks and futures live trading. Today is Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025. 2 days from Christmas, man. Like we said, hopefully y'all have a good holidays. Spend time with family and just enjoy life, man. Not every day is about making money. I know, of course, with living lifestyles and stuff like that. Yes, it is driven, to make money almost every day, but sometimes you got to spend time with family and enjoy them. So hopefully we get to do that, mine off of the charts and everything this Christmas. But we're finna go ahead and jump into these charts. But y'all know before we do what we got to do, we got to get our prayer in. So go ahead and bow your head. Dear Lord, we come to you just saying thank you once again. Thank you for the opportunities that you bless us with. Thank you for allowing us to be able to know about this day trading and having the skills, continue to grow and build and become better, not only traders, but better followers of you, Lord. I ask you let us be great representations of you. And we always give you all the glory and praise. No matter what we do, we know we can't do without you and without your strength. Um, so we just thank you for that. As we get on these charts today, we ask you to just give us the strength, the courage, and the determination to do right, or the discipline to do right also. Um, Not let greed overcome, don't let fear overcome us. We just continue to use the skills and talents that you bless us with and execute the right way. No matter if we win, lose, or draw today, we ask that we be grateful and we learn from our experience. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right, now let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. All right, now if you was looking for the live stream last night for a um market analysis for today, I did not do nothing last night. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got home, um, ate me something to eat, and I was knocked out. I ain't wake up till I ain't wake up till like 3 this morning. So it just that's all it was. I just slept real late. So we did not get no analysis done yesterday, but it's completely fine. We can do it here live, and y'all will get to see. Um, Give me 1 second. I'm trying to got switched to different accounts. Okay, I think that's the account I want to use. Make sure, yeah, that's the account I want to use. All right. Yeah. So we're finna go and do our analysis now. Pretty much yesterday, of course, what we said, everything's literally going to plan. Like, if y'all was here on this Sunday, on Sundays, uh, weekly analysis, literally everything is going exactly to plan, like to a T. We called out what we expect the days to do, and literally it's planned to a T. Now, what the word is this? First thing first, we're going to SPY. SPY, what happened? We stated, hey, Friday we closed above green. It's telling us we're looking for a high. Either this can lead us to a what? A lower high, and then we make a lower low, or it can take us on up, to the higher high. I told y'all it is a chance that we can just see all green candles and take the high, but there also is a chance that hey, we get the breakout. We finally get our first red candle. I was predicting that Monday we will close green. What happened? Monday, we closed green. And then I said maybe Tuesday be the day we get the red. Wednesday might be the week retest. And then Friday might be when we break out. And that's kind of like what it's trying to do. We got the breakout right now. If today closes red, I do expect tomorrow, Wednesday, to be the retest. Now, if today just closed red and already comes taps this low, I might be trying to get ready, especially if it look like we're not closing inside the gap underneath 680. Oh my goodness, I keep not showing y'all the numbers. My bad, my bad, my bad. But if we close, we don't close underneath this 680, this daily fair value gap here. If it don't look like we're going to close below there, I might grab me a couple spot options, longs, and probably I might get them out to next week. I'm not sure, because we do got that one like Christmas we can't trade, so it's like it's gonna kind of mess my contracts up if I get it just for this week, because it's one day that I'm getting penalized for that we can't even trade. So, um, especially for today though, like I said, today or tomorrow, we come tap this and it don't look like we want to close underneath it. I definitely would like to grab them longs. I would be even more confident if we get a red candle and then we somehow get a green candle before this weekend. Then I definitely look for the longs to go up there. Now, if we push down below the 680 and we start building base underneath, hey, more likely we're gonna close inside. Where we can consolidate, or we can break to the downside and do exactly this. You see that? So that's what we're looking at today. Um, Today, honestly, I think we probably pulled down. I mean, it's like I said, it's a chance that we can squeeze and go ahead and take these highs. It is a chance. Let me look and see about news for today. Give me 1 second, y'all. And it's okay if we don't start right at the bell. You don't have to chase no trades, man. Sometimes you do miss some good trades at the opening, but sometimes it's best to let the trades play out. We got news at 9 a.m. Consumer confidence definitely is a nice market mover. That's the only news we got today. Consumer confidence. GDP came out at 7:30, so we're good. Durable goods came out at 7:30, so we're good. So yeah, we just got 9 a.m. to look out for. Now let's go over the. Well, actually, let's go to the hourly time frame. See what it's looking like. All right, it's in a downtrend, so it's like I said, we could be getting that pullback to that 680 level. Don't really see no gaps for it to bounce it before then. I mean, it might be this small little gap, but that's still 680 level. We do got this big, huge gap here at 682. Maybe that'll be a spot to look out for in case it bounces. But honestly, I'm thinking we're gonna go down for at least the first part, and it just depending on how far down we're gonna go. Got this low. Let's mark out these lows real quick. These hourly, I'm on the hourly time frame if y'all want to know. All right, and then let's go to M and Q. Go to M and Q. Should be pretty much the same setup. Actually, this should give us a little more insight because they kind of already started for the day. Yeah, so it already gave us a little bit more insight. Let's delete this. We never had that long opportunity yesterday. We ended up taking shorts. Well, if you was on the stream yesterday, you seen we took the shorts. So yesterday we wicked above the high. We wicked above the high, but we failed to close outside this high. At top of this gap at 25,738. We go to that lower time frame. We never built base above it. See it? We never built any base above it. So it showed, hey, market not ready to go up there just yet. Now, today, since we failed to close outside the gap, I should expect what? Some type of pullback. Don't necessarily mean we got to close red. We can pull back and then push right back and try to see if we want to go higher. Or it could actually turn red. And if we close red, what do I always expect? Go to the bottom of a gap. Well, we got a gap here. It already came to a gap. So we could very well bounce. What I'd be looking for is either a bounce here, back up to these top of this gap to see if we can close the past again. Or if we end up pushing below this gap, this daily gap right here we made, and start building base below. Let me switch it to red. It's already pushing up now, but it's fine. Probably missed that entry, but it's completely fine. If we end up going back below here, we can look for the shorts to the downside, back to the bottom of this other gap, like that. But what I said I would want to see is a bounce here, back to the highs. But like we said, it looks like it's already doing it, so it's completely fine. It's already pushing back up. No entry allowed. So this is what we'll be looking for now. Since we couldn't catch that down there, we'll be looking for breaking retest up here. You see, that's what we'll be looking for. That, see how we fell here? We had to break, retest fail. We want to break and retest the pass. So we could get in one micro Let's get in one micro. See if we can start holding up there. It's fine if it pull all the way back down. I'm not. This account got plenty of capital, so I ain't really too worried if we pull back. I'm just gonna add to the positions just in case we just break out already and start trying to build above there. So we ain't too worried about being in some drawdown off the jump. My stop would be somewhere underneath this daily gap. Let me go see. For right now, until we finally start pushing past, then I bring the stop up. We just said stop down here. I mean, it's fine. Like we said, we don't mind if it come down because we gonna actually get our true interest we wanted and add. So we're not worrying about one micro. All right, not worried about one micro at all. So like we said, pretty much that's all we looking for. That ain't look weird on the lower time. Let me adjust this. We either want some type of base building above here to go back to the top of this gap, or once we break this gap, go up to the next gap. All right. Mm -mm 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 -mm. I don't even think I want to cut this one. Like I said, because I don't mind stop being down there as long as it don't push back below here. But we could cut it, but I really don't want to cut it because I can see it going back to the top. All right. Oh, let me go look at CrowdStrike real quick. I almost forgot. CrowdStrike. Let's see. CrowdStrike kind of messed up our. It ain't completely messed up our short opportunity. We just need all we need is a red candle to come in. Don't got no red candle yet. That's the biggest thing we looking for. A red candle without taking this 491 level up here. Now we take that 491 level. We want to see it close past, potentially come up to the next gap, and we can take the longs at the next gap. All we need is one red daily close. That's it. Let's go back to the MNQ. We gonna let this marinate. We ain't worrying about this chart. It's one micro. It's one micro. We gonna let it try to play out. I want to know what's gonna happen once we get up here. I mean, we did tap it and already reject, but we didn't make a downtrend yet. If we make a downtrend, I might just go and cut it and wait until uptrend comes. Then I just add multiple positions. But we haven't made a downtrend just yet. So we're gonna let it still play a little bit more. Let me see if string. Okay. And I think today we gonna go to what 9:30, maybe 10, because I think today might be a nice day, like not too hard of a trading day. Honestly, that's what I think. I think today not gonna be too hard of a trading day. I don't think, but you never know. You never know. $5 minute, we got one green candle, made high. Waiting it out, y'all, waiting it out. I will be shocked if we close green today, though. Let me go look at SPY. Let me see what SPY opened up first. You know what? I ain't gonna be I'm gonna be more shocked to close green today, but I'm not gonna be 100% shocked because, like we said, it could very well just give us all green candles and go straight to the high. So I'm not gonna be super shocked, but I definitely was expecting today to be a red day because I just didn't see this market just moving straight up. But if it does, hey, it is what it is. You know, I think this next 1 minute candle gonna be telling. Oh my bad, y'all can't. I'm on here cause I got my top step open on the other screen. I ain't even paying attention. My bad, y'all. Y'all couldn't even see where I was looking at. This might be telling right here. Let's see. Ah, it's rejecting this hourly. Let's go to the hourly so y'all can see what the hourly looking like. We do got an hourly gap sitting up here that we kind of rejecting off of. Yeah, we kind of rejecting off of this hourly. Oh, orange. We watching carefully this hourly gap. Definitely rejecting that hourly gap though. Might see a squeeze here. Let's see. It's rejecting. It's rejecting. It's starting to make a downtrend. Might want to get out this one. We're gonna wait and see. I'm gonna set stop right underneath this hourly gap. See what that 5 minute looking like? Oh, it's green right now. Alright, we're finally pushing. Okay. Finally starting to push. Can we get a close above here? That's the thing. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna set it right on that daily gap. We really don't want it to come back inside it. Oh, we're about to get that retest. No, we're gonna set it a little bit below. Hopefully it don't go back inside. Come on, keep us in there. Ah, come on, hold it, hold it, hold it. Ah, it came back down. It's fine. It's fine. We was hoping to stay up in there. All we looking for though, like we said, same thing. We look for that base to build above it. Um, Preferably on like higher time frames. Like definitely we get this hourly candle to close above. That's nice. We definitely like the hourly candle to close above. See, we get another 1 minute candle closing back above. Try again. But you gotta be careful. Oh my goodness, cross strike came back down. Might get that red candle for cross strike. Gotta see, gotta see. Towards the end of the day, it should let us know if it's gonna turn red for cross strike. Cause yesterday it came down and flipped completely green. High, low, high. Really want to see this low get broken. Right here, 74. That's what we want to see get taken. It look like it's getting there too. Look like we might go down. Come on, crowd strike. Come on down, crowd strike. Come on down, crowd strike. Definitely pushing down. We'll look at that weekly for crowd strike. What we looking like so far? Oh, we got red. Okay. We got red. Let's go back to M and Q. Crowd strike probably finna come on down. Come on. M and Q look like it's pushing back up again. Let's see. Oh, boy, we've been messed up. That mud came down there. I ain't even see that part. Oh, it's coming back down. I thought it was finna hold above at least this hourly gap. At least hold above the hourly gap. Even if you can't hold above the daily right now, just hold above the hourly gap. It can't hold above that alley gap. It might be coming all the way back down. When I say all the way, all the way back down. I'm sorry, I gotta go back and look at this cross strike. We might be adding on cross strike because it's definitely dumping pretty nice. It's like right there to that 74 level. God dang, why my stuff so loud typing? Extremely loud. Thinking this short's about to come through though. Think we can add some more to crowd strike. Shorts also might be coming for MNQ. If we build some base on it this hourly, we probably get in some short. Could get in one. Dang. I was just about to say we could get in one right now. But it just flushed. We kind of wanted to grab one while I was up here. Can we still get in one? It's just flushing. I'm gonna leave it alone. It's flushing right now. We ain't gonna chase. I wish we caught it right up here though. Yeah, we was looking for it to come down here. That was a nice dump though, I ain't gonna lie. Maybe we don't tap the bottom and we get a green counter to come back up. That'd be nice. To give us some type of entry. Alright, come back up here. If we get a green counter to bring us back up, I do think we want the short. Especially if we can't close past there. Might go ahead and just sell in it. But we don't want it if it taps the bottom of here. If it taps the bottom, taps this gap, we don't want the short. Because it might be bouncing to come right back up. If you go down there, we cancel this one. Alright, just missed our short opportunity, that's all. Alright, like it came down there. Alright, we don't want this one. We don't want this trade here because now it can bounce and to go higher. We would like to take shorts if we can push below this hourly gap though. Take the shorts underneath here. This ain't mad. Hold up, y'all. We get this here. Take the shorts down. Might get it. Might get it if we can hold underneath it. Might get them shorts. We get one close underneath it. I think I want one light. Yeah, we can get a one. One light one. Buy limit there. Buy stop here. Let me go back to that higher time frame real quick. Daily. Yeah, buy limit here. We push back above, but I'm gonna wait till that hourly candle come. If our hourly don't close, nah, we ain't gonna do it. Our hourly close back above here, we might just cut it. because I don't want to risk it coming back up to the highs. So we're gonna give this hourly candle some time before we decide to cut. If it's closing above here, we don't want it. Inside it or below it, that's what we're looking for. Inside or below. We got 2 minutes or a minute and 20 seconds. I think we good. I think we good, y'all. Let's see. Hopefully it don't bounce all the way back up on this last minute. But I think we're good. As long as it don't bounce all the way up. This 1 minute counter better not shoot all the way up. Oh my goodness. Come on now, 1 minute. Quit playing. That 1 minute shoot all the way back up, I swear. Yeah, we're gonna put this buy stop like right here. It better not shoot all the way up there. Oh my goodness, it's shooting up. Five, four, three, two. Dang, it barely closed inside there. It's fine. Keep me out then if y'all want. Dang, I was wanting to close below this gap, but it pushed above. We might get kicked out. If we don't get kicked out instantly, soon to come down here, I might just go ahead and get out. Because I don't think it's going to just flush straight down. Oh, we do got 9 o'clock news, though. It's a chance. But I think it was going to kick us out. I think we're going to come back up here. Come back up here and see what we want to do up here. And we're going to give it a chance. If it can somehow flip us into the green, I think I'm going to cut it. And then we're going to leave it alone. Alright, we're going to bring stop completely down. Because I honestly think it's going to flip and go back higher. But we trailing this top stop super tight because we already kind of think we're going to lose this trade. Come on, make that lower low. Uh-oh. We bring them up to break even. Or like $2, $3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Honestly, we should not have won this trade, though, to be honest. We should not have won this trade because we closed above the gap. We luckily had it come down first before it's going to try to go back up. Luckily. I still don't think it's going to come down here, though. But if it does, it surprised me. I ain't going to lie. It surprised me if it does go down there. Because I did not expect that. I think we're going to see a reversal before we get down here and push us back above. But we'll see. We'll see. Because it's definitely dumping. That consumer confidence must have been making it dump. Nice. And we caught it on both accounts. That's crazy. Catching on both accounts. Super tight trails, man. Super tight trail because I really don't think we'll get to the bottom. I keep saying it, but it keep dumping as I say it. That's what's crazy. I'm saying I don't think we're going to get to the bottom, and then it just Still dumping. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. We got TP. We got TP. Wow. I did not expect it at all. I did not expect it at all to come down to TP. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, let me look at that hourly, y'all. What in the heck? We closed back above it. Like we literally pushed below it, pushed back above. How the heck did we? I don't get how. Other than that news that came out, I'm not sure how we end up flushing without going to the other side. Hmm. Really not sure. Really not sure. That's crazy though. Maybe it was a lower time frame gap. It bounced off of. I'm not sure. But hey, we won. Made our money on that trade. Let's see. Can we get this break and retest here though? So we got the break. This could be the retest. We just need the green candle, man. We just need a green candle to come. Got our breakout. We just need this retest. Up to here. And then this one be to up to here. I ain't know it was a nice. I ain't gonna lie, man. Half of that was straight look. Uh-oh, crowd strike almost at 475, y'all. I told y'all it's dumping. Dumping, dumping, dumping. All we need is to do is be a red day. That's it. Just be a red day, crowd strike, please. That's all we ask. Be a red day, we good. Alright, it crossed. It crossed. It crossed. That's nice. It crossed. Crowd strike dumping. Crowd strike is dumping. Let's go look at SPY. Can we get our red daily? That's all I'm saying. I think Tuesday's supposed to be a red candle, man. I'm thinking it's supposed to be a red candle, but like I said, it could very well just flip green. But I'm thinking we're supposed to have a red candle today. That's what I'm thinking, man. I'm thinking we're supposed to be red. Can we close red? That's the biggest thing. Cause what the? Come on. Cause I want to see a retest at 80. That's what I want to see. I mean, we close green though. I think we going straight up to the highs if we close green today. But really want to see it close red. I prefer red so I can get a break and retest of that gap, that daily gap. So I prefer us to keep. I want to see us push, push below this dang gap right here. But if we bounce, hey, gotta trade what we see, man. We bounce here, we gotta trade what we see. But I prefer for us to come on down to the bottom of here. Come down here. Not even come all the way down. We could just come like right here. Wednesday, come go tap the bottom, and then we push up. That's what I prefer. Like bouncing here, we can literally just go take them highs on SPY. We don't got no uptrend just yet. And I'm on the 1 minute. We didn't even form an uptrend even on the 1 minute. That's the only way we gonna get back in so long. We gotta have higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we gonna get in. But just straight green counters, we ain't gonna get in off of that. Not getting in off of straight green counters. Y'all ain't finna trick us at all. Could not enter in off straight green counters. Cannot do that. Oh, dang. I think first red counter we'll get in on. Let's see. First red counter we might be wanting to get in a short. One light short. But we definitely don't want no long. Not until we get our uptrend. They get one light short. Target definitely what bottom of this gap, I say. Probably a little further, but we gonna just set it there. We get this uptrend form, we get straight out. We get instantly out this trade, get this uptrend form. Alright, got a high, but it got closed up there. We're gonna get instantly out. Bring this down in case it just wick real hard to the upside. We'll definitely get out. Alright, we out. We don't want to trade against no uptrend. Definitely don't want to trade against no uptrend. Take one light long, we'll do that though. See if we want to push up. Alright, we out, we out, we out. It did a trickaroo. It came right back down to make that low. Definitely did a trickaroo. I'm thinking these shorts coming through, y'all. Honestly. I'm thinking these shorts. Oh, my boy, there, my boy Mel. My bad, Mel. I ain't even see you was in here. I was in the same trade. Wow. Mel, what trade you was talking about? Mel? See if these shorts want to push through. I don't know if Mel's still in here. Mel, you still in here? I just now seen the comments. My bad, bro. See if we can get a dump here. That crowd strike at 474. We're trying to see if it can hold below it. Put a line there. Definitely want to see if we can stay underneath there. Like it ain't moving at all. Let me see. Lower time frame. Yeah, it ain't even moving. It might look like the first red candle below gonna come though. As long as it don't just spike up for the 5 minute. Ah, it's pushing up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stay down, crowd strike. Seventeen seconds. I don't know if it's trying to stay underneath there or not. It's trying to push up. Nah, it's starting to push up. We're gonna leave that alone. Go back to the MNQ though. Well, like 5 minute might be trying to make an uptrend, but it got to close green. I am liking the push though. I grab one. Well, I was gonna grab one when it came down. Alright, wait till it get above here then. Hold up, let's see. It's coming down. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Let the counter come down some. Let the counter come down a little bit. So we still got 1 minute for the 5 minute close. So I do expect us to drop. Alright, there we go. A little bit more drop. And then I think grab by here. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait till the 5 minute finish closing. We get a 1 right now, then we'll add another one. I tried to get in 1, they put me in 2, but it's fine. Stop at these lows. Targeting this hourly. Cause I still think we was supposed to come up here. Alright, get a nice little push. We can get back above this hourly gap though. Alright, well, we're finna reject off of that hourly. They gonna add. We got about 8 more minutes before I get off though. Might do it a little bit after. The bottom of that gap. All right, come on, we need a push. All right, we're gonna bring stop. Let me go on the lower time frame. If that flip back green, we're gonna bring stop to the bottom of that hourly gap. If it flip back green, if it don't, then we gotta leave it down here. You know what? We're gonna instantly bring it here to break even. Just in case it try to do a quick flush on us. We gotta have one running. We want to see it close past the top of the hourly gap. That's what we want to see. All right, we down to one runner. Dang, it took all of them out. At least we grabbed some profit before it dumped. That's what I was saying. It could get ready to dump, so good thing we did grab that profit though up there. We was suspecting that potential dump. I'm still waiting. I still think we can go up there though. We just gonna wait. Wait it out, wait it out, wait it out. I think it's trying to come to this 15 hourly. I mean, it's 15-minute gap here. That was a strong green count. Came right back. Let's see. Came right back. Bullish. Might get in one. We close back inside there. We gonna wait it out though. We gonna wait it out though. The reason why we need to close inside, really we'll close above, but it's because this literally can be that new lower high to lead us to them shorts to make this a red candle day, like I was telling y'all. This would be the low, it'd be that high, and we can make a lower low. Come on down. So Unless we can get a close inside and really a close above, then we can cancel these lower highs out. But this literally can be setting up to dump hard. So you gotta be careful. Definitely can be setting up to dump hard. Shorts might be gonna make this lower low. Might be the interest for the shorts. Stop loss will be sent up here. Oh man. What? Think them shorts about to come through, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Let's grab one light one. Stop up here. TP down here. What it need a break below? It need a break below. I think just below this gap here. We finna get squeezed back to the other side. That could have been, because it swept the low, flipped green. It could be squeezing to make this uptrend. Could be squeezing. First close above this is where you definitely cut ourselves. But that'd be the squeeze to switch us to the other side. We pushing up. We pushing up. Look like we might have to cut. 15 seconds. It's gonna close above. 7-6. Yeah. Cut, 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 cut. Alright. See. I'm gonna look at SPY real quick. Mel, you up in here? Nice, 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 nice. We'll drop down to 1 in case they want to keep going higher. But we're going to wait and see if it closes in here on the 1 minute. That was a nice push we got. Really want to close above it, honestly. God dang, they did it too fast. 2 seconds. It's fine. Still pushed out. All right. Let these last two runners go. See what we can get. Keep it going. If not, it's fine. We made plenty today. All right, we out. All right, we're gonna go and call it a day, y'all. All right, so y'all have a good one. Tomorrow I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna try to see, but tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I don't think I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow. So, but y'all still be on the lookout. Have your notification bell on. And yeah, your boy Keith is out. Peace.